Hello and welcome to another video of Website Creators. Today in this video we will learn how to create e-commerce website front-end HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. As you can see on my computer screen, here's the e-commerce website template that I will going to create in this tutorial. First we have logo, search bar and menu with cart option. Next we have vertical menu in the left side with the sub menu also. That contains list of product category of this e-commerce website. In the right side we have image slider. After this section we have image category section. We have 3 products. Next we have product section with beautiful title, product image, star rating and price also. You can see 3 buttons here. Whenever I take a cursor on image. After this we have new product list. We have added these products. After that we have feature section. We have added icon and text also. In the next section we have footer with 4 different column and copyright text also. Now if I click any product image, it's take to the product page. Here you can see sliding product image in the left side and product information in the right side with add to cart button also. After this we have product description and some related products also. Now click on this logo, it will take to the home page. So this is the how. So before starting this video, I am requested to please subscribe to my channel Website Creators to watch more videos like this one. Now let's start this video. Here I have a folder which is e-commerce website. This one is index.html file and this one is style.css. And one more folder here is image. We have some images here like categories and logo. Now come back. Open these 2 files which is Bragger's text editor. Now we will create one section. So edit section, class name, header. In this header we will add one side menu also. So give class name, side menu. Now we will create one unordered list. So ul li. We will create one list item. For that, on sale, save the changes and refresh your website. Now you can see on sale text here. We can see one dot here because it is the list item. Now come back the HTML file. Now we need to add one icon here. For that, come to the Google. This is the font awesome link. Click on the icons. We will search one icon here which is angle right. Now copy this HTML and come to the HTML file, paste it here. Now come back to the website, press this, and you can see one icon is here. Now we will create one unordered list and list item. So 2, save the changes. You can see some text over here. Refresh your website. You can see some text is here. Now we need to hide this sub menu. For that, come to the HTML file. Come to the top. Copy this class name side menu and paste it into the CSS file. Height 85 vertical height with 50%. Z-index 2. Refresh your website. You can see one background color. Let's come back. Margin left. Refresh your website. You can see some spaces here. Now we need to remove this dot also. So let's come back. Copy this. Li. Add this cursor pointer in the logo. Now you can see these dots are removed. Now let's come back. Copy this. Add hover. Color. Red. Now you can take the cursor in this link. You can see the red color is changed. Now we need to hide this submenu. For that, come back to the CSS file. Copy this. Paste it here. Hide the URL. Refresh your website. You can see this, all the submenus are hidden. So whenever I take the cursor, the submenu it is solved. So for that, display, block, height 400 pixel, margin left 40%, padding 0, position fixed, background as easy, box, refresh your website. You can see this. Whenever I take the cursor, it will be and copy this class name far angle right. Paste it here. Right. You can see these icons are moved from the left to the right side. Now come to the Google. Search for Bootstrap. Components, carousel. In this carousel, come to the crossfade, copy this, paste it here. Bootstrap website, find the indicators. Copy this, paste it into the CSS file. Width 85%, margin left 15%, padding 0, 10 pixel, padding 0 from the top and bottom, and left and right is 10 pixel. Dot slider, image. Now you can see this height is correct position. Now come back, copy this class name carousel, paste it here because it is the class name. Box shadow, add this, come back, copy this class name carousel indicators, z-index 1. So this is the how we can easily create the header section for this e-commerce website. In the next video we will learn how to create category section using HTML CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video.